you've done it all from ad films, you said modeling films, so which is being most enjoyable and you?
ऐसा है कि हम बहुत सारा खाना खाते हैं, कभी चाइनीज़, कभी इंडियन, मैक्सिकन, थाई, लेकिन आपका फेवरेट डेफिनेटली एक होगा, लेकिन आप पसंद तो सब कुछ करते हो. That's why I can't really say which is my favorite, but yes, I have enjoyed doing reality shows the most. और उसके तुरंत बाद I've enjoyed doing films and then the rest, you know. I love modeling, I love being in front of the camera, I love being on stage. आज तक मैं regret करता हूँ कि मैंने कुछ थिएटर नहीं किया है, जो मैं बहुत open हूँ और मैं करना चाहता हूँ थिएटर, लेकिन I love being on television or in front of the stage. चाहे वो reality show हो, चाहे वो films हो, चाहे वो documentaries हो, I love it.
What is your favorite holiday destination?
मेरा favorite holiday destination इंडिया में हो तो बस गोवा. गोवा के बिना मतलब चैन नहीं होता यार. I mean गोवा we have grown up on. मेरे सारे दोस्त suddenly मुझे फ़ोन करते हैं, बोलते हैं चलो let's go for the weekend to Goa. So I think Goa is home for me. ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत मतलब ब्यूटीफुल डेस्टिनेशन है और मतलब इट्स एग्जॉटिक आइलैंड, ये नहीं है, बट पास में है. इट्स लाइक होम. हम सब जानते हैं वहाँ के सारे लोकल्स को, लैंग्वेज इजी है और द फूड इज़ ग्रेट, द बीचेस आर लवली. तो वो एक इमोशन है अटैच्ड टूवर्ड्स गोवा. गोवा के बाहर मतलब इंडिया के बाहर अगर कहेंगे तो आई लव केप टाउन इन साउथ अफ्रीका. आई बीन देयर ड्यूरिंग द शूट ऑफ अंदाज. मैंने एक पिक्चर की थी लारा दत्ता और प्रियंका की फर्स्ट फिल्म, उसमें मैंने एक किरदार निभाया था. वहाँ पे आई वेंट टू शूट फॉर अंदाज इन केप टाउन. That was the best destination.
Your favorite perfume?
My favorite perfume is a perfume called Sculpture.
Your favorite sport?
Football.
Are you a romantic person?
I'm very romantic. लेकिन क्या है कि अब बहुत साल बीत गए, बहुत एक्सपीरियंसेस झेल लिए मैंने, हार्ट ब्रेक्स, ये वो सबकी ज़िंदगी में होता है. तो अब यहाँ से कम और यहाँ से ज़्यादा सोचना पड़ता है. But I'm still a die-hard romantic.
So you like surprises?
I love giving surprises and I love surprises. But मुझे I'm a giver यार. I love giving gifts. I love giving surprises. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब मेरी दोस्त या मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड हो या जो भी हो, मेरी फैमिली हो, उनके मुंह पे वो एक सरप्राइज मुस्कुराहट हो. आई थिंक इट्स लवली.
Are you a brand conscious person?
yes and no. I love brands because I think एक वो क्वालिटी मिलता है उसमें, लेकिन मैं रास्ते से भी पिकअप कर लेता हूँ. बट इट्स जस्ट हाउ आई कंबाइन एंड आई वेयर क्लोथ्स, ऐसा है. बट आई डू, यस, आई लव ब्रांड्स.
When you're not shooting, what do you prefer doing?
When I'm not shooting, I prefer sitting at home with my family or working out or working on some other business plan. क्योंकि मेरा पब है, रेस्टोरेंट है. अब मैंने एक नया बिजनेस शुरू किया है जो ऑनलाइन नेटवर्किंग का है. तो I like involving myself in different things. क्योंकि मैं बहुत 3 घंटे सोता हूँ दिन में, 3 या 4 घंटे. तो मुझे हमेशा मेरा एक बॉडी और माइंड एक्टिव रहता है. So if I'm not shooting, I'm doing something else.
How much importance does love have in your life?
I think love is the most important thing in everyone's lives. उसके बाद सारी चीज़ें आती हैं. Love for me is more important than work also. Because आप किसके लिए काम करते हो, किसके लिए पैसे बनाते हो, किसके लिए आपको सक्सेस किसके लिए चाहिए? अपने आप के लिए, because you love yourself, and for people around because you love them.
3 things you would never leave your house without.
3 things I would never leave my house without. My mobile, my bag which has my laptop, and my shades.
Do you believe in destiny?
Yes, I do. We're all a part of it. हम सिर्फ we just fight and battle and argue over it. लेकिन जो लिखा है वो लिखा है.
You like cars or bikes?
I love cars and bikes. I'm a guy. I'm a complete toy boy. तो मुझे fast गाड़ीज़ और fast bikes बहुत पसंद हैं.
Tell us what workout do you follow?
I follow a functional workout where I do 3 days of lightweight training and 3 days of either yoga or I do martial arts, जहाँ पे mixed martial arts होता है, या फिर I do functional training. मतलब I do cardiovascular. मतलब it's not a daily. मुझे monotony बहुत मतलब I hate monotony. So I keep changing my workouts every day. I do a mixture of endurance and weight training. So it keeps me fit, keeps me healthy. मैं body builder तो नहीं बनना चाहता. That's why I don't take any protein supplements or anything. I have natural food. I enjoy my life. Yes, I'm focused on fitness. तो मैं cycling बहुत करता हूँ, मैं running बहुत करता हूँ और थोड़ा सा डाइट कॉन्शियस हूँ बस.
Now coming to the theme that we are following, summer. Mumbai we experience like summer. What do you dislike or like about summer?
What I love about summers is कि सुबह सुबह the sun rises very early and the sun sets very late. So it gives me more time to work out, to meet friends, to party, not to party, but to work and just generally go out. I'm a very day person. I like waking up early in the morning. I like doing yoga. I like reading the newspaper with my family, having the morning chai. तो जितनी जल्दी हो उतना अच्छा है. Winters में late sunrise होता है तो obviously. So I love the summers. I love the heat also. I love it. I don't mind sweating. Yeah, it doesn't matter. हाँ थोड़ा सा ये है कि it does मतलब वो energy sap कर देता है because the sun is so strong over here. So when you go out, you really need to constantly drink water and replenish yourself. But I love summer. I'm a summer man.
How do you plan to beat the heat?
I beat the heat with wearing less clothes or wearing shorts, wearing white cotton t-shirts and shirts, drinking lots of lime water, juice, water, and just wearing a hat and wearing your shades. That's it.
Any ad that catches your eye during summer to come up with the prickly heat?
हाँ. I love the Limca commercial. ये जो Limca commercials during the summer are the best क्योंकि उसमें जो it has a feeling of freshness. It has a feeling of wow, they're really beating the heat with all that water all around and those sprinkles of water sprinkling all over them. So I really like that commercial.
What kind of clothes do you prefer during summer?
During summers, I love wearing shorts, like 3/4 shorts, cotton shorts, slippers, or one of those slip-on shoes. Very comfy, and upar se maybe a sleeveless. If I'm not going in the direct sun, then I can wear a sleeveless and sit. But agar dhoop mein ja rahe ho, so just to protect your skin, I wear a shirt like this, a white, simple cotton shirt. And yeah, I think the less the better.
What's your color, summer color this season?
Summer color is yellow and orange, the colors of the mango.
So do you change your workout in summer?
Yes, actually, because you sweat so much, you start also seeing signs faster. So your workout can be 60-70%. Jo winter mein hai, you have to push yourself a little more. But summers it gets hot, so you can afford to, cut down on the weight training and the workout a little bit. Or liquids bahut important because you get dehydrated very fast. So
any summer diet that you follow?
Not really. Lots of mangoes, mango milkshakes, mango juices, fresh lime sodas and fresh lime water. To eat, actually summer mein what happens, your appetite goes down a little bit. So I don't eat that much. I eat very light meals, but I eat 4-5 meals a day.
Your summer sport?
Ideally, it would be playing a PlayStation in an AC room on a TV. But outdoor sport, I don't think I would play an outdoor sport in the sun. It's just I would swim, but maybe subah ko ya sham ko. I wouldn't swim directly under the afternoon sun, but yeah, swimming would be the best.
Childhood we used to get these summer vacations in school. So any memories of those?
Oh yes, lots of memories because I've had a really very eventful childhood. My father's in the Merchant Navy. I've traveled a lot with him on the ship. और उसी दौरान summers में because we get vacations from school, I used to travel the world with him. और जो दूसरे officers के जो बच्चे थे, we used to all play on the ship. It was wonderful. I mean, my childhood has been great. My summer vacations have been super. और then हम लोग जाते थे to our native places like my mom comes from Hyderabad. My dad's family is all around. So we used to go to cousins' houses and gang up. और मेरी building के मतलब जहाँ पे मैं रहता था वहाँ पे नीचे there were so many flats, so many children come down to play every day. Vacations means सुबह 10 बजे से लेके रात के 9 बजे तक cricket हो रहा है, चोर पुलिस हो रहा है. I think these memories never leave you. So I've had the best summer vacations ever, but the most fond memory was being on the ship with my dad.